What's going on, everybody? Ike Ude here. Today we are unboxing the Apple Magic Trackpad. Fresh out the box, the items are nice and clean. We got the super flush Magic Trackpad, look at that. This product is fire. This product is fire. I love it. And we got a lightning cable here. Usually I'm used to using a wired mouse, so this is gonna help to ease the process. I'm a video editor, and I'm always looking for products that are gonna help with the accessibility. It's gonna speed up my workflow, gonna make things more comfortable for me. The trackpad is one of those things. It's wireless. I could switch up my whole editing station and work from the bed if I want to, and I love it. It's also easier to scroll and do different scrubbing for the video edits. So if you didn't know if you should get it, here's your call to action to go ahead and grab yourself a Magic Trackpad. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to be doing more videos, more tech reviews, more unboxings and stuff like that, and showing you guys what helps me with my editing flow. And with that being said, guys, hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.
Whatever comes first, comes next.